But when it comes to reasoning, it's still pretty dumb. Like, you can't really understand this joke? You had me at hello. Why? Because it lacks artificial general intelligence. AGI is the holy grail of AI research, machines that can think and learn like us humans. And not just for one task like current AI, but any task. It's the next frontier after narrow AI. So what makes AGI different? Well, 3 key things. First, versatility. Current AI excels at pre-trained tasks. ChatGPT generates text, ImageNet recognizes images. But an AGI could teach itself new skills, anything from writing sonnets to driving a car without being explicitly programmed to do so. That's the dream, anyway. Second, common sense and reasoning. Today's AI lacks the human understanding of context, nuance, and cause and effect. It can mimic our language and actions, but doesn't truly comprehend the why behind them. An AGI, however, would infer meaning from data, solve novel problems, and make judgments based on incomplete information, just like you and me. An AGI could, in theory, rewrite its own algorithms to become smarter. That raises the possibility of an AI that learns and evolves at an ever-accelerating pace. Several companies are working toward this goal. OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, is rumored to be developing GPT-5, which some believe will be a step toward AGI. AlphaFold, and more recently AlphaMath, showing remarkable progress in solving some of the hardest problems in math. Now they're setting their sights on broader cognition. Other players include Anthropic, a startup focused on making sure AGI aligns with human values and is safe to use. For starters, human brains use about 20 watts of energy. Today's large language models, by contrast, require megawatts to operate, making them prohibitively expensive to run.
Also,
embodied learning. We humans learn from interacting with the world around us. Can a GI learn without a body? Some researchers think it will need to experience the world through sensors and actuators, essentially a robot body, to develop a true understanding of it. Then there are the ethics and control. If AGI does emerge, how do we ensure it aligns with our values? How do we control something smarter than us? Despite the challenges, many experts believe AGI is within reach. Some predict we'll see proto-GI within the next decade or so, limited general intelligence that can perform any intellectual task, but lacks the full range of human cognition. Others are more cautious. Say true AGI, the real deal, is at least half a century away. Of course, these timelines are just estimates. It's impossible to know for sure when or even if AGI will be achieved. But here's the thing. AGI could transform our world in ways we can't even imagine. On the positive side, think of all the scientific breakthroughs it could bring. It could also automate many complex jobs currently done by humans, freeing us to pursue more creative endeavors. Engineers and even truck drivers could be replaced by AGI systems, leading to higher productivity and economic growth. Plus, space exploration. Imagine AGI-driven robots colonizing Mars autonomously, gathering resources, building habitats, and exploring the red planet without any human intervention. With AGI, the possibilities are truly endless. What if a GI develops a mind of its own, a superintelligence that we can't control? That's the nightmare scenario voiced by everyone from Elon Musk to Stephen Hawking. If AGI does run wild, it could trigger an intelligence explosion. A runaway technological growth that leaves us mere humans in the dust. If AGI can do everything better and faster than us, it could render most of us obsolete, leading to mass unemployment and social unrest. Not good. And then there's weaponization. Autonomous AGI systems could destabilize global security by making decisions with lethal consequences without any human oversight. It promises paradise or peril, depending on how we navigate the challenges ahead. It's up to us to ensure that AGI benefits humanity, not the other way around. As Yoshua Bengio, one of the pioneers of AI research, puts it, AGI is like nuclear fusion. It's always 30 years away. But this time, we might actually be close. What do you think? Is AGI the next big leap for mankind, or a giant mistake we'll regret? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on this and other exciting topics at the intersection of tech and society. Thanks for watching.